The Halton District School Board is proud to be hosting our Calling All 3-Year-Olds open houses over the next several weeks. These open houses give parents and caregivers an opportunity to learn what our kindergarten program is all about, and especially why we think enrolling in our program is a great decision for your family. We will have our talented staff on hand to answer your questions and address any issues you may have. Our goal is to assure you that your children, when enrolled in the Halton District School Board's kindergarten program, are safe and in great hands and encouraged to learn, grow, and succeed.
The teachers are really nice. And when you want them to be nice, all you have to do is be nice to them. And they'll be nice back to you. I remember I had really good friends. They would always be nice to me. And the teachers were really nice too.
So our program is based on a play-based model, and yes, they come to school, they have fun, they play, but the learning happens within their play. So some of the centers that you might see in the classroom are the sand table, where they're going to be getting the sensory experience, and they're also going to be engaging in maybe some measuring if there's cups in the sand table, or maybe they're engaging in how does it fall and how can I build that sand castle? Why doesn't it work when the sand's dry, but it does work when the sand's wet?
At the open house, students and parents will explore a kindergarten classroom, learn about play-based learning, pick up information and resource material in a free backpack, access information about community agencies and resources in Halton, get information about before and after school care, connect with special education staff to discuss any developmental concerns, and meet the learning team consisting of FDK teachers and early childhood educators. Visit www.hdsb.ca for more details.
To not be scared and to be really happy when you come in.